If at all, if he is aware of the facts, let him disclose the names of the
Do you
ministers.
see some similarities between this Kerala gold smuggling? Almost, the Chief Minister's residence was involved in this. In this particular case, any other information you have?
So I am not aware of what transpired in Kerala state, but what has happened in Karnataka has never happened before. This kind of gold smuggling case has emerged for the first time, or this kind of gold smuggling case has been identified for the first time in Karnataka. When a daughter of senior IPS officer is involved.
So she's been allotted a land in Tumkuru by KIDB in the year 2023,
During BJP government.
BJP government, sir. And it was given in, she opened the company only in 2022. Within 9 months, you have given a land, and they many
Now-
allege that there is nexus between BJP leaders and.
Now the issue is she has been caught in the gold smuggling case. So Chief Minister is answerable, Home Minister is answerable. If ministers' name are emerging, who is those ministers who are supporting this lady? As far as the KDB land allocation is concerned, I mean, even though it might have happened in BJP's tenure, let them investigate. We are not stopping them.
So are you going to raise this issue in the floor of the House? This particular issue?
Our BJP MLA has already raised this issue on the floor of the House, and I have seen the answer given by Home Minister also. So, but let's see him answer for this.